In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change DNS in Godaddy, a process that's crucial if you're looking to point your domain to a new web host or simply optimize your domain settings. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned webmaster, you'll find these steps straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to the Godaddy website and log into your account. This is your control center where you'll manage all things related to your domains. Once logged in, head over to the top right corner of the page, where you'll find your account name. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select My Products. This section lists all the domains you own, among other products. After clicking on My Products, you should see a list of all your domains. Identify the domain for which you need to change the DNS settings. Click on DNS next to that particular domain. This action will take you to a page where you can manage the DNS settings associated with your domain. Now that you're on the DNS management page, let's locate the section where the current nameservers are listed. This is typically found towards the bottom of the page. Here, you'll see the current nameservers in use. If your domain is using the settings provided by Godaddy, you might see something like ns17.domaincontrol.com. However, if you're switching to another hosting provider, you'll need to modify these settings. At this point, look for the Change button next to the nameserver information. Click on it, and you'll be presented with the option to either choose default Godaddy Nameservers or enter custom nameservers. For the purpose of pointing your domain to a new provider, you'll select the Custom option. Once selected, input the new nameservers given to you by your new hosting provider. An important tip here, ensure you enter these accurately. Even a small typo can lead to your website becoming unreachable. After inputting the nameservers, press Save. It's crucial to note that DNS changes can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet. Be patient during this time. However, you can also use online tools to check the status of your DNS propagation if you're keen on tracking the progress. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the DNS settings for your domain in Godaddy. This is a fundamental yet essential step for domain management, and it's something every website owner should know how to do confidently. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, Godaddy's support resources can be a great help. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!